Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are covering a highly requested topic: how to withdraw money from Crypto Miner Tycoon. If you are playing a play-to-earn mobile version of the game, here is the exact process to cash out. Start by opening the app and locating the withdrawal section, which you can usually find by tapping your coin balance at the top of the screen. Before proceeding, check your balance to ensure you meet the minimum withdrawal requirement. If your balance qualifies, tap the Withdraw to Wallet button. At this stage, you will be prompted to link your crypto wallet. Depending on your exact version of the app, this usually requires logging in with a ZBD or Zebedee wallet account. If your version supports direct transfers, simply paste your external wallet address. Next, select your preferred cryptocurrency, enter the amount you wish to withdraw, and hit confirm. The transaction will begin processing, and you just need to wait for the funds to arrive in your wallet. Now, for a crucial update, you need to manage your expectations. While the withdrawal system does work on certain mobile apps, many players report that earnings are limited to fractions of a cent, or the game stops paying out once you reach higher amounts. Also, please remember that the popular PC versions of Crypto Miner Tycoon Simulator are strictly simulation games. They do not involve real blockchain transactions, and you cannot withdraw real money from them. Never pay an upfront fee to withdraw your earnings. If an app asks for a deposit to release your funds, it is a scam. If this guide cleared things up for you, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech and crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.